So hi, welcome back to this channel. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to run multiple regression analysis in Excel to perform your data analysis. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for multiple regression analysis, we need more than two variables. And here on linear analysis, if you have not watched the video that I've done on linear regression, where you just use one variable to determine your analysis, but here we have the revenue, which is the dependent variable. Then we have these two, which are independent variable. So these ones we want to see if they have any effect on the revenue collected. So for us to do that, we will head to our data tab up here. Then we go to this section where we have data analysis. We click on it. Then we will look for regression. We just go down and look for regression. Here it is. Then you click OK. Then it pops up like this. So on the Y range, we will select the revenue. So we select this, the whole of this up to here. Then we go back to X revenue. We will select both the newspaper ads and the online ads. So we will just come here, then select this, only this. Let me go back. Only this section. So this section up to down here, like that. Then we have labels. We'll click on that. Then output. We'll click on that. We'll go up here. This is where we want to put our output. Then you click OK. Then this information pops up, as you can see. Now, on this type of information, we will focus on the adjusted R squared and not other regular R squared. And it shows that we have 0.699, which is almost 0.7. That 69% is explained by these two variables, these independent variables. Then the other important information you can also get from this is down here on the coefficient standards. And we can see the intercepts. We have the newspaper ads. It has a negative coefficient, so it shows that at every increase ads in newspaper, there's a decrease in revenue collection. Then on every increase on online ads, there's an increase in revenue collection. So that is how you can perform your multiple correlation analysis on Excel. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, you subscribe, and you share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.